In today's episode, I'm doing a tablescape for fall. So if you're interested in finding out how it turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Today I am co-hosting a closed collab with Shoshana at Home with Shoshana. She asked me to do a fall tablescape. So I hope you enjoy my video, and I will have the link to her channel down below and let her know that I sent you there. My niece is helping me set up my fall tablescape in my formal dining room. Here's my niece Kayla. You've all seen her before. Hi Kayla. She's a senior this year, guys. This is her last year of high school. I'm so proud of her. Now, here we go. We're going to start off with cleaning the table first, and then we'll go into what we're going to be using on today's episode. Now I'm not doing the traditional fall colors in here. I wanted to use something a little different that I've been looking at, that I thought about doing it a while back, but I thought, okay, I'm doing the non-traditional in here. So what I'm doing in here is, of course, if you see the tablecloth, the table runner. This table runner, guys, came from Temu. Now I'm doing magnolias. Yes, I am, but with a little twist. Now everything that my niece is putting on the table, I already had in my stash. I didn't purchase anything. Well, wait a minute. I did. Dun, dun, dun. And I'll show you what was purchased when she puts it on the table. But everything else that's been using on the table today was already in my stash. Now these green placemats, I bought those so long ago, and I think I've only used them twice since I purchased them. Ain't that funny? You buy something, you never think about it, and then when I got ready to do this tablescape, it came right in hand. Now, in the pillow covers, again, came from Amazon. I have the 18 by 18, I believe those are. I have a lot of colors of those. One day, if you're interested, we'll go through my pillow cover collection. And I do mean collection. Okay, now that she has that, we're going through the whole setup of the table. Now, I know you guys have seen these new charger plates at the Dollar Tree. They are the black ones that have the glitter in them. When I saw them, I was like, oh, how gorgeous. I have to get me a set of these. Even though I already have some black ones, but the black one with the glitter on each end. The black with the glitter is gorgeous. Now the other item that I have from the Dollar Tree, I know everybody's seen these gray and white plates they have. It's the gray that look like it's been splashed in it. I saw those on another YouTube sister's video, and I thought how pretty they were. And I really thought, okay, I don't need any more plates, Stephanie. And I was like, I don't need any more. But then when I went to the store and saw them, I'm like, yeah, you do. So I grabbed me 6 plates and 6 dessert plates. And I tell you, those plates, if you don't have them, you might need to go pick up you a set because these are gorgeous. But I did see somebody with some blue ones, and I quite don't know where the blue ones came from. Now, whoever has the blue ones like that, let me know where you got the blue ones from. I know I don't need any more blue plates, but these gray ones are gorgeous. So I'm thinking that the blue ones may be as well. Yeah, I know I don't need any more blue. But they were pretty. Now, as you see, we're using the Magnolia napkin rings. Now, these Magnolia napkin rings were purchased from Pier 1 before Pier 1 left us. Yes, they left me. That's where I always got my napkin rings from and my salt and pepper shakers. Because you know I have a thing about salt and pepper shakers. Yeah. So, with Pier 1 leaving, I was really devastated because I really liked their things. Especially their salt and pepper shakers. Nobody else had them. So next, I have the centerpiece. Now, the magnolias in this centerpiece are a mixture. Now, the crystal vase was a gift from my mother-in-law. She gave it to me for one Christmas. And then the magnolias in it, the larger ones came from Walmart. And then the smaller ones, guys, with the stems that are sticking up in the air, I saw them on Temu. And on the picture, they looked to be the same size as the one I got from Walmart. Not. They end up being smaller. But with the stem sticking up like that on them, I thought, okay, why not? They're pretty. I'll use them in this bouquet. So I think they came out really, really pretty. Now the black wine glasses that she's putting on the table, the smoke glass, the black smoke glasses, they came from the Dollar Tree, of course. You know that. I love my knees, guys. If you didn't know, I hurt my knee walking one morning, and I thought I stepped off the curb wrong, and actually I did. And I think I have an appointment, well, the appointment was last week, but because of that hurricane scare, they moved the appointments to this week. And I don't go to the doctor until the 19th. So I'm waiting to go to the doctor on the 19th to see if I torn the ligaments in my leg, which I really think I did. I think I torn the ligament in it because it hurts like nobody's business. And when I try to walk, so when I stand up for a long period of time or walk, it hurts so bad that it's just unbelievable. Okay, now you know these green glasses, they're from the Dollar Tree. At one point, Dollar Tree had the ones that were green on the top and clear on the bottom. And, you know, I was one of those hard-headed people. So I ended up finding these with the green bottom and the clear top. But when I went, they only had 4. So I got those 4, and the lady told me that a truck was coming in on that week, and she would be getting some more in. But that's when they stopped selling them. And so I was devastated that I only had 4 of them. But I'm thinking they might come out with them somewhere else. I just always on the lookout for 2 more of those green stem glasses. But I know a lot of people missed out on those colored glasses from the Dollar Tree. I was being hard-headed and said, I'm not going to buy any more glasses from Dollar Tree. And I should have went ahead and got them. So next, my niece is going to put on the black flatware that I got from Temu. Okay, you put the spoon on the opposite side where no glasses are. And then you put the fork on the outside by where the black glass is. And you put the knife right there. So you might have to move that black glass up some, over some. Right here. Yeah. Turn the blade away from the plate. Make sure the input here. Okay, now this black flatware, as I said, it came from Temu. And I think it's really pretty. It's got a good weight on it. And I really liked it, so I thought it would be good for this place setting. I love my niece. She's so special. She helps me when I need help. I know you saw her when she was helping me clean out the garage and things like that here when we moved here. I wish my other niece lived here. She would be on film too. But I'm going to get her one day. I'm going to get her here and she's going to be helping me do something. Okay, now I'm going to get a close-up of the table so you can see what it looks like. Now these are the these are the smaller stems that came from Temu. The stems sticking out of them. And then these are the larger ones. Let me pull out one. That came from Walmart a few years back. Like I stated, everything just about, like the Magnolia stuff, I've had it for a while. I bought it at Pier 1 before it closed. At the head of the table, that's what's different is the clear wine glass. Because as I stated, I only have 4 of the green stem ones. But all the place settings are the same. I didn't put a placemat at the head of the table because they have the beautiful table runner under it, and I wanted the magnolia table runner to show. I really had fun coming up with this. I want to thank Shoshana for including me in on collaborating with her for this fall tablescape. I wanted to do something out the box because it's been a while since I've done a really pretty tablescape, and I'm really excited about this one and how it turned out. Now, if you don't know Shoshana, I will have the link to her channel down below, and you can go visit her channel and tell her Stephanie sent you. And again, I want to thank Shoshana for inviting me to collab with her for this tablescape. Now, if you like the tablescape and how it turned out, let me know down below in the description. You know I love reading your comments, and I'll see you in the next episode.